You saw that texture, right? And the best part is, this peppermint cheesecake is baked without a water bath and still has zero cracks. Let us show you how easy it is to make. For the crust, we are using Oreo cookies. Oreos and peppermint just belong together, so this base already tastes like Christmas. Room temperature cream cheese is the big secret here because it blends so much better. Just mix it briefly. The less air you whip in, the smoother and crack-free your cheesecake will be. Okay, peppermint extract is strong, so a little goes a long way. This amount keeps it fresh and festive without going toothpaste. This bit of flour is here for a reason. It's a small and important secret that helps the cheesecake set beautifully and protects it from cracking. Another secret to a crack-free cheesecake is beating the eggs separately. It lets them blend in smoothly without whipping in air, because air is one of the biggest reasons cheesecakes crack. Crushing the candy canes into small shards is another secret for this recipe. Too big and they go chewy. Too fine and they melt away. This size gives you those perfect little freckles. We are baking this without a water bath. No wrapping pans in foil, none of that stress. I know it sounds illegal, but it works. A gentle low bake gives you the creamiest texture with less work and no cracks to worry about. And that jiggle is your cue of success. It means your cheesecake will set super creamy once it chills. The topping is optional, but it gives you that snowy holiday look. It's simple and it makes the cheesecake feels extra special. This is the creamiest peppermint cheesecake you'll ever make. Minty, chocolatey, full of candy cane freckles, and that bite just melts in your mouth. Make it, and we dare you not to eat the whole thing.